Hi, I'm Roy, and I'm not here as a CEO, a medical professional, or representative of any company or corporate. I'm here as a patient, and us patients have something to share with you. Yes, I know that you try your best. You design product for us or to be used on us. And sometimes, there is some focus group or clinical trial when certification is needed that are involving some aspects of our voices. But this kind of involvement is mainly due to regulatory reasons and not for design reasons. I'm here to urge you to incorporate our voices from day one, from the early stages of your pipeline. Yes, just like Pharma is doing for many, many years. And they don't just do it from the kindness of their heart. They see around 40% more retention. They see more ROI and less need to go back to the drawing board. They see better market access, and they see also better corporate responsibility. But I'm not here to talk about numbers. I'm here to talk about emotions, feelings, and true needs of millions of people who are depending on your brains, hands, and hearts to develop solutions for us. No matter if it's directly us as users or the medical professionals who are using these devices. It doesn't matter if it's a B2B or B2B2C or B2C. It doesn't matter. We are people. We and our caregivers are vital voices. We are experts, full stop. We are experts in our lived experience, and this lived experience is a goldmine of data for you to use. I'm not only talking about, again, buying data sets and trying to understand what is the public health effect of some thing that you think that you can improve. I'm talking about talking to actual people who are going to end up using your products. I'm talking about incorporating us as patient experts, as patient in residence in your project. I'm urging you to have a chief patient officer, or at least chief patient engagement officer, if you have any interface whatsoever with patients or caregivers. Again, whether if it's B2B or B2B2C or B2C. I'm urging you not to look at me now as a nice story to have, an emotional moment in this wonderful conference that a patient is bringing. I'm talking to your hearts, hoping that your heads and hands will follow, trying to convince you to do the right thing for your business and for us all. To use us as a resource, an untapped resource in your product design processes, in your pipelines, in your business development. Work with us. They are patient experts that this is their professions, just like me. There are caregivers who give wonderful insights. There are organizations that produce mass sets of data deriving from real, anonymous and non-anonymous voices. There are people to be asked, not only as a focus group, but as real experts involved in a pipeline of developing a solution. I'm here because I've spent almost a decade in bed, misdiagnosed. Healthcare failed me, and I don't want MedTech to fail others. I want our devices and solutions to be humanistic at heart, no matter how developed is the technology. I want our voices to stop being something that is a nice to have, but something that is must have. Thank you, and let's change MedTech together.